see in the net shirt. Net shirt. It's just a set too. I look 228. Hi baby doll, you are looking so cute and beautiful. Oh really? Baby doll. Baby big doll. Baby. It's a baby big doll. Okay? English, English, but I'm not English. I'm Tagalog, Philippines, but I speak English. No, I'm not Spanish. Can you open your hair? Okay. Your partner or husband in your life? No. Mr. Love, I don't have. I am a single mom. I am not English. I am Filipina, but I speak English here because most of my viewers are English. They understand English language. Don't get too close. It's too beautiful. Okay. Danny, let's go 28. Open here, so beautiful. That's so. Everywhere you are looking beautiful and hot. Is that is that true? Hot, hot mama.
I bet you've been working hard.
So very,
I have some
so
silly
very.
bake.
I've been working hard. Oh my god. Hello James Vlog. Hi. That hair should be really wild, not comb. Oh, this one with this like that curly, not Can you show yours? Oh my god, no. What soul you mean, John? Body sexy. Body sexy. Hi to my 115 viewers. Sorry for the electric fan. Love. Hi baby, where from? I'm Philippines. Do you like open hair or tied hair? Both. When I drive a motor, I tie my hair because my hair will be going like that. It's not easy to comb, and it's so very the wind that blows. So when I go ride out some bus or in the motorbike, I used to tie my hair. Shout out, mom. Yes, sure. John Raven Amador, big love shout out. Can you hear ponytail, please? No. I make ponytail when I go out. Private as ibogli sobra. Plus my private as libogli may sobra. No. Bahala ka dyan. Catch Mike 10. Shout out Wells from UK. Hello. Hello Wells. Hello Rish. Oh Rish. UK. Yes, right. You're from Rookie. Rookie, UK. Bobo talaga ako. Thank you, Mom. Hello, welcome. Hello, JJ. I am sure a lot of young guys admire your beauty. No, old guys. I'm not young anymore. Hi, love. Hi, my name. I get an amazing device for you. What do you mean by that? Oh my God, you're so bad. Don't make comment like that. Thank you for your respect. How do you message someone here? Ah, no, I'm just reading your message on here. You aren't young, but young guy loves you. Hmm? Really? They make me a sugar mommy. I don't like to be a sugar mommy. Have you ever used what's your piari? I don't know that. First time I hear. What's piari means? What's a piari means? Piari, piari means I'm not married. For all you know, guys, I'm not married. I'm just a single mother.